Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give you a review on the website that is duneshop.com. So if you are curious to know about unbiased review, watch the video till the end. Dune Shop is an online store that gathers youthful, dynamic, skilled individual who needs to make internet shopping more adventurous, quicker and dependable. They are saying they focused on bringing the best and most famous bag, handbag, Libby, pebble crossbody, elephant, medium pocket, nylon crossbody and so on. It was created on 25th June 2021 for the just 1 year and it will expire on 25th June 2022. Its trust score is just 1%. No contact number have been mentioned on the website. As far as the email address is concerned, the email address which they have mentioned on their official website is not matching the domain name, which is not a good sign. Moreover, you have to pay $15.99 for fast shipping between 5 to 10 days, and the standard shipping you have to pay is $9.99, and that takes 7 to 15 days for delivering of your product. The positive features of this website is that at this single store, the client can purchase stylish bag according to their need. HTTP secured. This website follows data transmission and the website has secured SSL certification. Negative features are the age of the site is too young to ever be in any capacity to trust it. While diving deep into the reviews, we discover it has an awful trust rate. Site content cannot be breaking down as it does not have any classification segment. All offered items were denying of client survey, which show a right indication for authenticity. And so the question is Dune Shop is legit or a scam? As we are discussing certain parameters, so we will continue our discussion and check out some more details. As far as their social media icons are concerned, we could find their presence on Facebook and Instagram, but no customer review, and that make it doubtful. As far as its trust score is concerned, that is just 1%, which is questionable, and the domain is newly created with short age, and they have multiple payment options available, and contact number is not mentioned for communication, which makes it again doubtful. So in our final verdict, we can say that as after discussing these details with our customer, the website seems to be suspicious and fake, so we recommend you all not to buy anything from this store, so you may not get scam and you may not lose your money at the end. And if you have any experience of buying from this store, do write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.